Hello everybody, this is Professor Anita Rao, Dean Director School of Law, Visakhapatnam. Greetings to all of you. The International Jewish Day commemorates the historic adoption of Rome Statute on 17th July 1998. It marks the importance that the continuous fight against impunity and restoring justice to the victims of war, crimes against humanity and genocide. From the Vedic period, the perennial thought of Indian thought is that the righteousness and righteousness among men is the microcosmic revelations of the natural order and harmony with the cosmos. From Mahabharata, the great Indian epic, it really enshrines that justice ensures the society and it maintains the social order, and it also plays a very important role for the well-being of the humanity and social order. Now, in the mean that justice, what we always thought about is like it is pertaining only to the courts, policymakers, advocates and judges. But definitely it is not that way. Any person with righteous attitude and action in work has to maintain this particular philosophy and do his best. Justice, what we mean is the free access and fair access and easy access, and also the execution of the policies with unbiased manner to bring the restitutive and the restoration justice. As very rightly pointed out by Rangnath Mishra, former Chief Justice, that it is very difficult to operate, and it's higher in form than the mere law, and it is very divine in its action. So person rendering justice should have those divine qualities. Similarly, to quote Justice Desai, what he says is justice is not only appears to be done, but it has to be done. What I mean to say is both in substantive and procedural laws, both these qualities of divine qualities of justice should be followed. So with this philosophical attitude, with this philosophy, let us join together and take the torch of this justice to greater heights to make this globe the best place for any human being to live his life to the full best possible extent. Thank you and Jai Hind.